Bang, bang. Oh, he's on my team. Oh, no!
What's up, guys? It's Whiskey Victor Airsoft here, and today we're going to have some gameplay coming to you from a really wild and chaotic day at MK Airsoft in Clarksburg, West Virginia. Right here is the KWA SR10 Body. I put a Backdraft Innovations Pheonix in it with some Amazon accessories. Next up is the King Arms PDW that I have two-tone painted and also installed a Polarstar jack. This is my go-to CQB gun. And last but not least, we have the Golden Eagle M8879 MLOK shotgun. This is a gas shotgun capable of shooting 3 to 6 shots that I have installed an HPA tap.
Actually, fuck it, I'm going this way because there's a puppy.
This is for all the Latina women! Got me.
I just want to take a moment to point out, look at this absolute unit of an army I got behind me guarding this corner.
I really hope I'm recording right now.
Yeah, I'll take it. Dip.
Yes, in case you were wondering, at that exact moment, I did shit my pants. And yes, I had to limp around the rest of the field with Dookie Brown pants.
I'm going to one of them. Sorry. Go now.
Whoop. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to shoot you a second time. I didn't see your hand.
There, man. Oh.
Hey, Scott, it's me. Red. I'll take it, dude. Fuck! Damn it! You're plumb off, Scott.
I'm plumb off?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not even on.
Yeah, it's on now.
Oh, mine's good.
Now you're recording.
Son of a bitch. I got so many good kills, too.
I just want to take this moment to apologize to my dude because I was shooting at the guy running into the bus and instead my boy caught one to the chin. Sorry, my boy. So in this next clip, I swing by this guy and my teammate behind me cleans him up. Great job, teamwork, let's move forward and get these guys. So we're closing in on their spawn, but we were getting spawn killed all day, so this was more or less a revenge clip. You can see us methodically moving into the building, and coming around the corner right here, you can see me figuring out that this is a pretty popular spot, so I might want to watch this. Whiffed. So now you can see these dudes kindly put on a laser show for me.
Yeah. Thank you, bro.
Friendly fire never hurt nobody, as long as they decide to walk back.
Thank you, brother. Dead. Hey, sorry, boss. Dead man. Dead man. Dead. Oh, good shot.
I think you got me first.
It's all good. You got me between the eyes, and that's a statement right there.
This cat right here hits a double grenade fail, and I felt it spiritually on every level.
Actively on the stairwell.
Actively on the stairwell.
All right. I'm about to cross it. Light it up. Hey, up top! I see you!
I'm walking back towards one right now.
Are you red or blue? No, the person behind you. Oh, that. Careful, bro, your band's off. Dead man. Actually, we're in the keister.
Is he blue?
I have no idea, his band is off. Fine skin, it seems like.
So this next clip, absolutely just fucking all over the place. So I notice a teammate walking back, and right here, I take some shots at these guys further down the alley, not knowing that this dude who's close to me is on the enemy team. He decides to take the shot, assuming that I was going to shoot him, even though I had no idea he was there. Anyways, back to the chaos. Leaning in, trying to get at this guy, really not getting anything, but I know that this whole side of the map is absolutely crawling with their team, so I'm not trying to stay too in the spot or too in one place fighting one guy. Peekaboo. Run. Move on to the next. Why not? I'm feeling courageous.
Hit. Shots.
Look, Harry, you almost got my wiener.
Sorry, brother. Damn it. Bang, bang. Oh, he's on my team. Oh, no! Usually when you hit him with the bang, that means I killed you from real close. So.
Oh, okay. Sorry, my bad.
Oh, no, you're good. But yeah, usually when someone, no, you don't have to, so technically, you're not wrong. You could do that.
Yeah.
Just most people might call you a
That's
dick.
reflexes, that's my bad.
No, you're all good, bro. You're all good. Good reflexes, though. I'll take it. Good call, bro. Damn it.